In primetime news this evening, sliding dollar prompts central bank's intervention for a second straight day. Authorities to craft national gift policy after standoff between Shaggy and Bustamante Hospital. And customers desperate for more options due to poor service from two local telecoms giants. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. And for that, we go to Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, you will recall that the government has passed legislation to reform pension arrangements in the public sector. Now, that was phase 1. So, what's happening with phase 2? Stakeholders want answers, and I'll have details in the business day.
All right, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jermaine for a look at what's happening in the world of sports. Jermaine.
Thank you, Herman. And I tell you what, schoolboy football is really heating up. Semi-finals of the Da Costa Cup on the way. Clarendon College, the defending champions, they're into the final. They beat McGrath. And the last year's beaten finalists, Cornwall, are now facing off with Dintil in the second semi-final. We'll have the details when we come back.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on the $1.3 billion Christmas work program announced by the Prime Minister yesterday?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.